Time now is 1500. And this is for the 1504 2 Mike 37 Transport for Wales service from Llandrindod to Shrewsbury. And since last time I came here, that house that used to be over there has been demolished. As of quite recently, actually. And also a couple of new signs, well, warning do not trespass signs have been put up as well. And they've got Welsh on them, which is interesting. And I'll show you that in the next closure. If I remember to, of course. And also this wigwag here has also been hit as well. One 153 321. 153 325.